Hi, welcome to the Shelley Studio and my creative year for February. Like I said in my January video, I was using leftover paint. Well, I got the FW inks at Hobby Lobby and wanted to play with them the day I got them. So I just opened a page in my journal and just started dripping this stuff on. So that's what I'm doing. I'm picking colors that go good together. Analogous, is that what it's called? They're side by side on the color wheel, and it's taking me so long to shake them. Some of them have probably been sitting for a very long time that it really absorbs into the paper. So you can see the original spots where I dripped the paint, but it's okay. It's just going to be a mess anyway. Anyway. So yeah, you can see where the dark stains are. But I wanted to play, when it dries, they're a little bit less noticeable because the moisture of the page has swollen the paper as well, so that makes it even more noticeable. Oh yeah, and I put some white Liquitex ink on there. Just 'cause. It's a bit of a hot mess. Trying to get the air bubbles out of it. I want it to run and smear, but I don't think I have quite enough on there. So I hit it with the water. That gets it to move a little bit more. And I decide to try and write with the dropper. I decided it's not very good, so I smear it out. This is all just playing around. Alright, so I believe that other layer is dry. So I'm going to try and spray some yellow. So I'm putting it into a spray bottle I haven't used yet. Way to stain the bottle. And then we're gonna try spraying. My page is all curled. Alright, flatten out. There we go. Okay. I see a lot of people spraying through stencils, and I wanted to try it, and I don't think I have quite enough paint in there, but we're getting it a little. Oh look, you can almost see it. And then I just smush the other side on the other side. There we go. Alright. More playing with paint. So since it is February, I wanted to make it Valentine-y. So I decided to paint a heart. And I have a bunch of shades of red. It's hard to tell on that deli paper that's already got stuff on it. But I have a variety of colors. I'm actually using a really stiff brush, and it's sort of scraping the paint off as much as putting it on, so it's kind of the wrong brush to use probably. So I do this and I decide that there's way too much paint, so I decide to smush it onto some deli paper just to lift off the excess. And there we go. And then we have one on the deli paper too. So after the deli paper dried, I cut it out. I really liked it. So we are going to glue that onto my page. You can see a couple of things I've added to my journal at this point. We're just gonna see, isn't that cool? That's cool. It'll look better when it's dry, I promise. And then these are bits that I'd cut out for another project. Sorry about my head. Okay, so these are pieces I'd cut out for another project and decided why not just glue them in here. Alright, so here is the pages. Pretty simple. Well, I hope you liked that. If you did like it, please hit like. Feel free to share, comment, and if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.